This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and initiating the update now. Make sure you've closed resource-heavy apps so Steam can write files without interruption. Once done, check that you have at least 200 MB free and a stable Wi-Fi or wired connection. Download stall on flaky networks. Open Steam, sign in, and allow the client to check for updates. You'll see it auto-download or prompt you to restart. Follow on-screen progress until the download begins. Now you'll manage the core update steps. In the Downloads tab, watch the percent and download speed so you know it's progressing. Intermittent spikes are normal. Make sure not to force quit Steam during file verification because that can corrupt the install. If Steam requests a restart to complete patching, go ahead. Restarts finalize file replacements and update registry entries. After restart, Steam rebuilds caches. Wait until the client returns to the main window before launching games. To finish, confirm the client version and help about Steam to ensure the update applied. If Steam fails to update, run it as administrator or rerun the installer's repair option. These fix permission and missing file problems. If downloads hang, clear the download cache from settings and try again, then verify game files for any corrupted content. If you still see errors, reboot the system and retry the update. That usually resolves file locks and driver conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.